Let's focus on the fixture advanced grouping function. So first of all, we need to understand what is advanced grouping. When we select fixtures in the layout view or the fixture view, it will have a drag sequence to select the fixtures. For example, like this layout view. When we go to slide off here, some words appear in the bottom left corner of the screen, from left to right, and then from top to bottom. This is our fixture selection sequences. According to this fixture selection pattern to run shape, or to do fixture overlap effect and so on, it's gonna follow this sequence of fixture selection pattern. First from left to right, running from here to here, then from the top to down. How about advanced grouping? It is to change the sequence of grouping after we have selected the fixtures. Let's say every fixture in first line is first fixture. Both of them go down in synchro by round. We can use advanced grouping to quickly realize the effects just described. Regrouping the fixtures. How to do advanced grouping? Let's click Group button on controller. Before this step, we must choose fixture first. Then we can see fixture selection sequence under the advanced grouping expansion view. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the sequence of fixture we just selected. Start from left to right, then from the top to down. If we're running by that number when running the shape, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 runs in this way. If we want to regroup these fixtures, there is a star code and encoding increment here. The star code is when I swipe to regroup, a sequential value at the beginning of the first fixture. Encoding increment is the value of the difference between each two fixtures during process of sliding. It's like all the lights are in a row going down in sync. Each row of fixture is required to maintain the same value, so each column is equal to 1 to 8. We can just swipe and select like this way. Change this column sequence from the top down 1 to 8. The same for second column. Every column is consistent. When we're done setting up this group, let's light up fixture, press locate. Let's call any built-in shape to see what we just done with the grouping. Let's call this dimmer shape, running in the sequence we just set. The same as advanced grouping. It's all running down in row sync. We also have a feature called shape grouping in advanced grouping. Press Clear button. Select fixture. Press Group button. There is common grouping here. Let's click on it again. It will switch to the shape grouping. Click Shape Grouping under Shape Grouping view. We can quickly select the sequence of shape. Let all grouping follow the shape, such as fixture to run from the sides to the middle. We can choose a shape that goes from the sides to the middle. When I clicked on it, we can see the sequence of my current fixtures. It is automatically sequenced in the direction of the shape. It's auto contraction going from the sides to the middle. Press Locate to light up the fixture. Just call a random shape to check. Call one of these dimmers. The light spreads from the sides to the middle. Now, this is feature of advanced grouping. When we regroup it from this advanced group, we also can save it in fixture group. Different advanced groups are stored in different fixture groups. It is convenient for us to quickly call different grouping sequences to perform different effects.